1908, Mr. Axel Wennergren came up with the idea of making vacuum cleaners that can be used at homes. Later in 1919, he established Electrolux company in the United States. By 1920, he hired 2 engineers to start production of the first user-friendly refrigerator for homes. As time went by, Electrolux introduced dishwashers, washing machines, and many other products. In 1929 was a huge milestone for Electrolux. The company was now in more than 30 markets around the world. Even more importantly, Electrolux introduced the first commercially domestic air conditioner. As a world leader in enhancing people's lives, Electrolux is uniquely able to offer well-being for you and the whole family. We are always with you. We feel you. We hear you. We know what you're thinking about and what you desire. We bring harmony and vitality inside your home so you can achieve well-being for you and your family, and create a sanctuary at home, no matter the weather or external conditions. As a world leader in enhancing people's lives, we focus on what the consumer wants. In more than 40 million products, in 60 countries, in more than 150 global markets. Electrolux started investigating expansion into many other markets. Studies have shown that most problems facing users were pollution, humidity, bug infestations like mosquitoes and flies, and finally, electricity shortages and power surges. Hence, Electrolux chose the challenging market to invest in now, which is Middle East and Africa. Choosing a high-quality air conditioner in the United Arab Emirates can be quite a challenging task. High temperatures and humidity make the air conditioners take a longer time in reaching the comfort zone room temperature. Now, that's not a problem anymore. Electrolux air-conditioned units are integrated with pure O2 technology, which was set for hot and humid countries, specifically for Middle East and Africa. This technology purifies the air by passing it through the high-voltage ion field, which is converted into plasma, and is then captured in the electrostatic field, removing 95% of dust, smoke, and pollen particles. Electrolux air conditions give you fresher and healthier air with minimal maintenance or cleaning needed. Electrolux added a turbo mode button which cools the room faster by using a super high fan speed for less than 20 minutes. Then the fan automatically goes back to its standard setting. A simple one-touch method for fast cooling. In addition to the Follow Me feature, a temperature sensor is built into the remote control. When this option is selected, the machine will maintain the temperature selected where the remote control is located, which provides more comfortable temperature wherever you are. Electrolux air conditioners also have a mosquito repellent feature. This special feature includes a buzzer that makes unheard disturbing noises so that the mosquitoes don't come into the room for a comfortable sleep. With Electrolux air conditioners, you don't need to worry anymore about random power surges. Electrolux air conditioners have a low voltage startup of 170 volts, which protects your air conditioner from any damage and ensures continuous operation. Electrolux air conditioners have many other superior features, such as auto cleansing. This special feature allows the indoor unit to stay clean once it's not in use. When turned off, the unit keeps the exchanger dry from the residual water that could have been taken from the air. This protects it against bacteria and mildew growth. Also, the low-noise airflow system keeps the air conditioner noise at only 32 decibel for more comfort. With Electrolux air conditioner, you aspire for a better, energetic, healthy, and well-being life.